Hi, I'm Adriana Baranek. I'm CEO of Media Group, and you're watching UseWise YouTube channel. Here with me is Mladen Baranek, our CTO.
Hi.
So, one of the questions that we recently got quite often from the CXOs of various companies is related to the work profile on Android phones, which is quite a new concept in the mobile device management. And often they were quite worried about what it means, and we thought it would warrant a special video on the topic. So, what is the work profile, and what does this really mean for the managers and everybody using it?
So, work profile is advanced feature on Android phones that can separate private data and business data on the same device. So, it is mainly geared towards bring your own device policy situations where companies, if they have advanced mobile management, will enforce on a newer versions of Android creation of a work profile. For users, for end users, it presents itself in a way that suddenly they have two versions of same application, so that they have one Gmail for their private use and one Gmail for business use, Chrome browsers, and so for work profile, administrators have to manage which applications are allowed, and some of applications do not fully support this work profile feature. So there are also some inconveniences. So it takes new kind of training to explain users how to take a picture with a camera and put it into work profile applications and stuff like that. And then there is also an issue that is improving. If you have two calendars, of course you would like to have a seamless experience with your private events and your business events, and now it is possible to connect data from personal and from work profile. But if there is no need for a work profile, it cannot be turned off if you are using advanced mobile management. So the only way to turn it off is to switch to basic mobile device management. So in that case, obviously you are going to lose some management features, but you will still be able to prevent access to corporate data in case of device theft and
Yeah.
things like that. But advanced mobile management on newer versions of Android enforces creation of work profile. So either you have to manage that work profile and get your users aboard, or you have to switch to basic mobile device management, and then users will not be asked to create a work profile.
And the work profile story is only for Android devices. It is not related to iPhones.
Yes, so a work profile will be enforced on, I think, Android 11 and newer devices.
Yeah, so for instance, if a company has managers that do not want to have work profile, but they still want to have the advanced mobile management, the solution might be that managers get iPhones and other employees can have a work profile on their Android devices.
Yes, and there is also a special edition of Android phones for enterprise users that Google partners can provide. So usually it is not through uh, telcos, but Google partners can get enterprise versions of Android phones,
Mm-hmm.
where user will have uh, advanced mobile management without
Mm-hmm.
having a separate work
Yeah.
profile.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, so the issues are multiple, and there are many things to think about when you consider whether to use the basic or advanced mobile management. Basically, it would always be a good idea to find someone that knows something about that stuff and to ask them for advice. So please contact us if you have some projects, if you have some issues. But most important of all, use mobile device management. Because in Google Workspace you get it included in your suite, and it really allows you to have
uh,
more
more control on
yeah,
your
yeah,
corporate
more sense
data.
of mind related to your corporate data. Also, you can get it with Office 365, but with Office 365,
A separate
it is a
license.
separate license. So it can be more costly than with Google, but still, it is an amazing solution, and you should definitely be looking into it, no matter whether you use Google or Microsoft or there are also some other solutions for the mobile device management, but we would definitely recommend going with those that are with Google or Microsoft. So, thank you, Mladen. If you have some more questions, if you have some issues with work profiles or mobile device management, please get back to us and contact us. We have time slots on Friday for the office hours, and you can sign up in the links below. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Bye.
Mladen. Bye.